I'm off campus. I don't have a free hand to take off my mask. Actually, maybe I can. So I'm off campus. My hair is a bit of a mess. I have a meeting with professor online at 1:30. So I left class a bit early and grabbed my worksheet so I could head home because it's about a 20-minute walk. I just came home, guys, and my boyfriend put my plush in my workout spot. I'm a group leader for one of my projects that I'm doing this semester, so it's made me a little extra busy, but I have to meet with my professor individually weekly, so then we can discuss progress and things like that. Also, so the class schedule came out for next semester, and it is definitely really surreal to be like actually graduating next semester. Like I'm looking at it, I'm like, wait, next semester is literally my last semester. I've been in college for years, so it's so weird to be like, there will be an end to it at some point now, you know. It was like there was no end in sight for years. Alright, so at 4:30 p.m. I have a meeting with the rest of my group to do our thing. That's something that I love about studying computer science, is that there is just a crap ton of group work and I'm constantly in meetings and trying to code. So I'm gonna do some photoshopping for a while. I try to have some balance and like do some things that I just find fun throughout the day when I get the chance, if I'm not too overwhelmed. So I'm just gonna try to edit like 10 photos and then I'm gonna switch gears and start doing my math homework. I like to listen to books too while I'm working on photoshopping, because it's just nice to listen to a book, and then we'll finish up our day.